Okay, hello everybody, welcome to our Petro channel. So, this part 14, I want to show you how to log in dashboard to select user and password from the database in MySQL server. Okay, right now we create the database name, login, and a folder exam. You can create the login folder in a doc. Okay, right now we go to see the database, and this is the database name login. Okay, this is the table login. Okay, I create already, so I want to show you. Okay, right now we go to next page and create table login, the database name login. Okay, right now in next page, so I create the connection. We go to create, so we create the connection. Okay, create final connection. Yes, you can write code on the slide. Okay, right now we create connection already. I next page and create hash password. Hash dot php. Okay, you can write on the slide. So I want to sell. Okay, and now we next page and create index.php. Okay, right now I create index.php. So right now we want to write login.php and session login user and redirect dashboard.php. Okay, you can write on the slide. So I want to pass code. I don't want to be right. Okay, so when you write index.php already, I want to sell. Okay, and the next page, yes, we create login.php. So right click login, create file, Control S and save login.php. Okay, right now you can write on the slide. Yeah, I don't want to be right. For example, we use okay session start. submit. If empty mail or empty password. And so the area login. Yeah, and we require has if auth emails passwords and con we had the already. Yeah, right now we reflect with the dashboard, no profile. Okay, MySQL cons. Okay, and now we create a function and con. Okay, you can write on the slide. Here and I want to sell. When I sell login or already, yes, I next page, and I create dashboard.php, and I want to create dashboard. Okay, right now I don't want to be right. I go to okay, I pass here. Okay. Okay, right now I create this body. I want to save and next page. Yes, right now we create profile.php. So I right click, create profile. Okay, you can write by yourself. Okay, when you write already, I want to save. Yes, profile. Okay, I next page and logout.php. We want to create logout. Okay, right now I want to create logout.php and press enter. So I don't want to be right. We go to the copy, or you can write and session start session destroy. Okay, right now I want to destroy all the session and then redirect to the login. Okay, send and index.php. Yeah, I want to sell. Yeah, when I create a profile already, I next page. Yeah, I create a session.php. So we want to create session.php. Okay, I don't want to be right. You can write by on the slide. I pass here. So I pass, copy. Okay, right now we need the page. Right now we create the login CSS. Yes, right now I right click and create CSS login CSS. Okay, you can write by yourself and the next page login. You can write on the slide. And next, yeah, this is the CSS continue from the login CSS. Yeah, you can see here. So right now I close. Yes, when I create CSS already, I next page. And right now we create style dashboard.cs. Okay, I want to create style. Style dashboard.cs. Okay, you can write by yourself. I need the page CS style. Okay, the second page dashboard CS, and I want to next page. Yes, CS in the dashboard style and next page, and the next page style dashboard.cs and next, yeah, style dashboard. Okay, finish. And I want to pass. Okay, dashboard style here. Okay, and I will go to the login CS. Then I want to scroll down. I to create dot errors color red. Yeah, we add the red when I log in with the wrong password, red, so error. Okay, right now I close the dashboard CS and with next page. So you must create the username for the example. You can write like this. Yeah. Click, and I want to create .php. Okay, right now you can write code by yourself. Okay, right now I want to save. Yes, yes. So I want to create the username one more. For example, Petro and petro@gmail.com. Password, username Petro, and the password, yeah, 123. Okay, right now we go to the browser. Yeah, we call login directories. Yes, I agree. I write wrong. Dashboards. Okay, right now I want to refresh again. Yes, so I want to create a user .php. Okay, new user created successfully. So I want to refresh the database. So you can see the Petro and the password with hash. Yes, if you want to use password hash, you can use the password verify. But as in this lesson, I show you with the hash password, not password hash. Okay, so I wait to login. So I want to Petro password. I type it wrong. Press enter. So with the wrong password, so username or password invalid. One more. Petro 123. Press enter. So then I log in to the dashboard and welcome Pedro's. Just refer to the username here. Okay, right now I want to the log out. We input again. 2, 3. Okay, welcome. Sorry, refer to sir, and this is the password here and Gmail. Okay, so right now I want to finish this part 14. So in the last time I want you to thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment on my video. Okay, and the next time I meet you again. Thank you so much. Say goodbye.